Hi everyone, today we will talk about the first language acquisition and the second language acquisition. I'm Liz. I started to learn English when I was 7 years old. There has a lot of elements affect my learning. Several years ago, I like remembering the single words in the word list. Therefore, I only could understand the meaning of the words but cannot know how to use them in the real situation. Now I make a little bit of change. I always accumulate my corpus in a real context, such as reading books and watching movies. In this case, I found that I could easily retrieve the specific words or sentences when I was in the real context quickly. Besides teachers, teaching strategy also influenced me a lot. In China, most of my English teachers fond of cramming the language knowledge in our mind and never think about it whether we could easily master it. By this way, I always feel anxiety since I always met troubles in the class. This emotion of anxiety always enabled me to afraid of learning English and eventually prevent me to well study. Furthermore, motivation also plays an important role in my learning experience. In my mind, English is a necessary skill for 21st century and it opens a lot of doors. So every morning I get up early and study English for several hours because I have a motivation. So I never feel tired when I am learning English. In Canada, I could easily immerse in the English environment to interact with native speakers and receive a lot of idiomatic English from their speaking. In a word, learning methods, teaching strategies, emotion, motivation, and study environments all have a huge influence to my English learning. For first language and second language, they have a lot of differences and similarities. For similarity, correction in 1982 claimed that we always acquire the rules of language in order. It means that we should learn something firstly and other things secondly. For example, Chinese teacher always teach proper form firstly and then teach Chinese character. English teachers always teach alphabet firstly and then teach words. Therefore, whatever in first language or second language, they all exist in order of acquisition.